Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Allo, your instructor for Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to do an intro to Microsoft Excel. Whether you are a new user of Microsoft Excel, that is if you have never used Microsoft Excel before, or if you have used it before and you are interested in learning more about its functionalities, this video is for you. My goal is that at the end of this video, like by the end of this video, you will know how to use Microsoft Excel, both the basic and more of its functionalities. Now, what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application. So with spreadsheet application, you can analyze data, you can equally analyze trend in your data, you can create formulas and functions, you can as well perform both simple and complex calculation. You can equally find the insight in your data. So you can do quite a number of things with Microsoft Excel application. So I am going to take you through the introduction to Microsoft Excel. This is the interface of Microsoft Excel. So you look at the interface, it has here the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar, just as the name implies, is where you put all the commands that you frequently use in Microsoft Excel. So here the Microsoft Excel interface has the quick access toolbar, quick QAT, you can see. So if you want to save more commands here, so you can just click on the arrow here, then it displays all the commands you can put, and you can even have more commands. So you can just select one after the other and add them. So add them, so you can customize the quick access toolbar. This is how you customize the quick access toolbar. The font color you can add. You can add as many commands as you wish or you want. So that's how you add commands to the quick access toolbar depending on the one you use frequently. So once you are done, just click OK. Then you can see all of those commands you have added. They are now listed on the quick access toolbar. So that's the quick access toolbar. So the commands that you frequently use are stored or placed on the quick access toolbar. Now again, we have the file name. So your file name is on the title bar. So you can just look at what you have there. So if you open a new Excel workbook, you're going to have it as book 1. So once you save if the file with a name, it shows the name that you have saved the file with. So that's talking about the file name. Then the ribbon. The ribbon shows up once you click on the tab starting from Home tab. So you can see. So each of the tabs displays a unique ribbon. So you can see this Home tab. We have a lot of groups of commands on this Home tab. So in each group you have commands like the clipboard group on the Home tab. You have cut, copy, and format, printer, then paste. So these are the commands you have in the clipboard group of the Home tab. Then you click on the Insert tab. You can see it has its own unique groups of commands as well. So it displays a new ribbon. So that's just how you see the commands you have in each group. In each group on the tab you select. So then when you click on the File tab as well, the File tab takes you to the backstage view where you can have all sort of items there, the info, new, open, save, save as, print, share, export, publish, close, account, feedback, options. So we're going to learn to use each of these much later. So you can click on the back arrow to return to the worksheet. So now we have the name box. The name box gives you the address of the cell. So each cell has a name, is the way of naming a cell. So which H6 is talking about the column H and row 6. So columns always have letters. So letters, then rows have numbers. So now you have H6. You can as well use the name box to navigate around the worksheet. You can go just by typing the name of the cell you want to jump to. For instance, if I type here D16, then I press enter, so that will actually take me to the cell that I have typed here, I've indicated here. So once you type the name of the cell, for instance, this 16, just press your enter key, so it take you right there. Take you right there to the cell you want to go to, or you can just click on any cell. Is that okay? The name of it will be displayed here. So that's how you use your name box. So again, the formula bar shows you the content of a cell, So once you click on a cell, then you type. Once you type, for instance, I've clicked on this cell D6. So once I click on that cell, I can type anything in that cell. It will appear in the formula bar. So let's say, for instance, I type Excel tutorial. So you can see that is showing in the formula bar. You can as well go to the formula bar and type, so the contents of that formula bar will equally appear in the active cell. So let's look at this. Once I click the formula bar, then I type anything I type. For instance, I type Excel class. So you can see that. So that shows in this particular cell. So that's how you use your name box as well as the formula bar. Name box for naming the cell, then the formula bar shows the contents of a particular cell, the active cell. Then we have the rows and columns. So the data in Excel worksheets, the data is arranged in rows and columns. So rows are just the horizontal space. You can see, so each of these is a row. So it has row 1. Once you click on the row heading, it select the whole row. Select the whole row. So you can see that. So that those are rows. Rather, then column heading as the letter on them. These are the column heading as letter on them. The row heading as number on them. So column heading as letter on them. You can see column A, column B, column C, column D, column E, column F, column G, and so on. Then row 1, row 2, once you select the row heading, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6, and so on. So that's how you name, you identify row and column. Now the scroll bar, you can have the vertical scroll bar as well as the horizontal scroll bar. So this is just the horizontal scroll bar. You can see that. So this the horizontal scroll bar, then the vertical scroll bar. You can just use to scroll the worksheet up and down, then from the left to the right here. So that's it about row and column. Then scroll bar. Then for cell, the cell is the intersection, or the point of intersection of row and column. You can see once I click on any cell, it's showing the name in the name box. So this is F3, meaning that column F row 3, column F row 3. If you click on another cell, you can see J5, column J, the J column, as well as the row 5. So that is the point of intersection. Then we have the workbook, the sheet tab. The sheet tab is just just right here. You want to click on any sheet tab, it displays the content of that worksheet. Now we have the workbook. Workbook consists of 2 or more worksheets. So the entire document of Excel, the entire Excel document is called a workbook. So that it consists of series of worksheets. So depending on how many worksheets you have created, so it shows the content once you click on the sheet tab. Then again, the data entry, I'll just show you how you can enter data into Excel worksheet or into a cell. So just type whatever you want to insert. You can see that Excel, so it enters the cell. So that's it. Just click on the cell to enter the data. Then selecting range of cell. So you see range of cell occurs when you select 2 or more cells. You can see that 2 or more cells gives a range. So you can see that a range. 2 or more cells give you a range. Then to save your workbook, you can just go to File and go to Save As, and you can select the location right here, or you can just click on browse to select the location you want. Like for instance, I select desktop, then you type the name of your file here, or the workbook here. For instance, Excel tutorial 2. You can see that I've selected the location that is the desktop. I want to see on desktop. Then the format, the file format, the exact format you can see. So the Excel workbook, the extension has the file extension .xlsx. So you can pick any or select any format here. For instance, PDF, you can select and click on save. So for this purpose, we're going to select Excel workbook. So I just click on save. So that will just be saved with a name that will appear on the title bar. So this is all that we have for this particular tutorial for today. So in our next class, we are going to continue with other things. So I believe you have understood all that we have discussed today. So see you in the next video. So just see in the next class, the next tutorial. Bye for now.